So I recently got this one. It is Garmin Titanium Vented Bracelet in carbon gray color. If carbon gray color is gonna be DLC coating, it's a diamond light coating to give it more durability. And the finish just looks cool as well. I'm really loving it. If you look in Garmin website, this one is around $299 USD, which is super pricey in my opinion for a titanium bracelet. I got this one from Facebook Marketplace. It is used. I got it like around 90 bucks, which is a good deal for a very expensive official band from Garmin. And yeah, my first thoughts and impression is not that wow, but it just looks pretty nice. But still, I think it's way too expensive for a bracelet for your Garmin. And I heard this DLC coating, it scratches pretty easily as well. I'm gonna wear it for a while and try out. I got this one in 22mm, which is the size for my Fenix 8 Solar. Now I'm gonna walk you through how to install it and how to remove links. Let's go. Vented Titanium Bracelet. Woohoo! This is carbon gray color with DLC coating. DLC stands for diamond light coating. It gives this titanium a harder surface, better scratch resistant than bare titanium. And it also gives this bracelet a darker color, carbon gray color, as you can see. But I believe the connector here is not titanium. It's more of like a stainless steel, the connector here. And over here, I'm not sure if it's titanium, but all the links is titanium. According to users online, it's titanium grade 2 with the DLC coating. This titanium bracelet also have a pure silver color as well with no DLC coating. If your watch is silver color, you can buy that color to match your watch. But my Fenix 8 is carbon gray color with DLC coating as well. So this will do just fine. I got my Fenix 8 Solar, 47mm. With this silicone band, it's Garmin official ones. It's called Willow color, pretty beautiful. And the quick fit system is quite convenient. You just pull this latch out and it's out, pretty simple. Same goes on the other side. Voila. Now, to install this bracelet, it's pretty simple. You can just click it in right away, or you can just pull this first, but it's a bit stiff. So I can just click it in right away. Voila. Very nice. Woo. It feels quality as well, but I think it's too expensive for this bracelet. Let me try. Alright, here's the titanium bracelet on me. As you can see here, I need to get a few links out, maybe 2 on each side, and adjust the micro adjustment over here. See, there's a micro adjustment as well. And sure gonna do. Let me remove it first. Pretty easy. And as you can see here, there are screws that hold the links. You need a small flathead screw. I'm just going to screw 2 links from each side. Pretty simple. And here's my flathead screw. Let me start out. Make sure you do it slowly, counterclockwise. And see the screw come off. You can just pull it with your nail or finger. I don't really have nails now. Yep, now it's out. Okay, as you can see here, I'm going to remove 2 links. Make sure not to remove the quick fit connector, because we need this to connect to the watch. Up close here, I'm going to screw here. Make sure you got a solid table. maybe put something soft on the surface. As you can see, my surface here is not a stone, it's a soft paper. Okay. Voila. I got 2 links out. Alright, now I'm gonna connect this part to the main bracelet. Put this screw back in and just tighten it up. Make sure not to over tighten it. If it's a bit firm, just stop. You don't want to over screw it. Voila. Now, same goes for the other side. Getting the screw out. Take 2 links out here. Once the head comes out, you can just pull it. Enough with the fingernails. Okay. And reconnect this to the main bracelet. And voila. I removed like 4 links, 2 on each side. Right, let's give it a try. Wow, much better. Yep. I still got some space left, as you can see. Make sure not to like make it too tight, because if you sweat, it's gonna create some discomfort. Yeah, but I think it's a bit loose on me. But I'm just gonna use the micro adjustment right here. I'm just going to move it in a little bit, and it's pretty simple to do it. You're going to need a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip. I got a SIM ejector tool right here. I can just press it in like this, just press on it, and you can move it around too, or you can just lift it out like this, and it's going to reveal the spring bar right here. It's spring loaded on both sides. You can just put it in and align it inside the second hole, and I can just squeeze it in with my finger, with my fingernails. Okay, as you can see, I just put it on the second hole right here. Wow, much better. Pretty good fit on my wrist. And I can just release it like this. Just to keep in mind, I wouldn't recommend you like lying on flat like this with the watch, because the bracelet could scratch your heart rate. It's better to lay your watch down sideways like this. It's gonna be much better. Like this. It looks pretty dope, and I'm loving it. Alright, I think I'm gonna change the watch face to match this bracelet. This is good. And you do get this Garmin logo right here. It's matte finished and a bit shiny at the same time. I'm gonna use it for a few days and let you guys know my thoughts and opinion about this titanium bracelet. Alright, I've used this for a few days now, the Vented Titanium Bracelet from Garmin. Yeah, I really like it. I really like the look and feel while it's on my wrist as well. It definitely increased the weight when wearing it, but still I really like it. The look of it just feels premium while you're on the go with your day, and you can wear this to an event or party as well with your Garmin. It's gonna make your Garmin even more stylish. I did try go to the gym with this titanium bracelet, and it's quite hot actually, and caused some irritation a little bit while I'm lifting. So not ideal for exercise, but I think it works well while you're on the go with your day, whether you go travel, go shopping, or just anything that isn't exercising. It definitely gonna weigh more than your silicone band or your nylon strap, but yeah, it looks real dope. Do I think it's worth the price? Not really, not at all. It's like super pricey, like $299 USD. I think it's way too expensive for this titanium bracelet. And it's like only grade 2 titanium, not grade 4. But it's got the DLC coating, the diamond light coating, to give it a carbon gray color. And there's also a silver version. It's a bit cheaper, but still both are quite expensive. If you really want an official band, like official bracelet from Garmin, it's better to find some cheap options, like a good third-party ones. I got one brand that I really recommend. The company is called Hemsut. Very nicely done band, high quality. I use them a lot. You can check them out as well. Or if you're like an official band kind of guy, you can buy this bracelet used as well, whether it's on Marketplace, Facebook, or like eBay. You can get this bracelet for much cheaper than Garmin official website. So yeah, do I really like this? Of course, but not worth the price at all. But I got this one used, so it's okay for me. That's it for my review of this titanium bracelet. If you do like it, please hit like and subscribe. Be sure to check out my other videos of smartwatches and accessories. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.